Do you want to know how I get healthy meals on the table for my family? I use a different method than you might think. Hi, I'm Monica, a registered dietitian and mom of 2 kids that are super busy with sports. So here's what I do. I don't do traditional meal planning. Instead, I keep my kitchen stocked with lots of healthy foods. So I don't really like to meal plan. Instead, by keeping my fridge and pantry stocked with lots of options, I can come up with a meal in about 20 to 30 minutes. The key is making sure that you have plenty of protein and veggies to choose from. I love pre-chopped convenience vegetables. They make my life a lot easier. I'm also a huge fan of batch cooking. If I'm making rice, then you're gonna bet I'm making enough to last for several days. My last tip is to think about what meal is the most difficult for you. Are you short on time in the mornings for breakfast? Is lunch tricky? Is it dinner? For me, it's lunch. So I make sure that I pick a recipe and make 4 lunches for the week. Keep it simple.